Good morning. How we all doing? Hopefully everybody's doing good. Getting a couple things set up, then we are ready to go. From the Virgin Islands, I like it. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully everybody's having an amazing morning. I'm gonna get live on TikTok for people today. It's been a while, so TikTok deserves some love too. Give me 1 second. Boom. Good morning. Let's see. Live. Can they see it? Bingo. Let's get it on TikTok as well. How we doing today? Everybody in the chat, how we doing? Guys, make money yesterday, lose money, take no trades, let me know. Yesterday took this paper handed the crap out of this trade. It was on SPY. But what ended up happening was the way that I found the entry in the SPY trade, and of course I went back after and I was like, okay, why did I end up selling this? Realizing I had zero reason to sell. Just at the time, didn't see the massive bear flag it was forming. And yeah, definitely paper handed that. My fill was like $199 and they went all the way to like 450 or like 500 plus. It was stupid. But yeah, definitely paper handed that. The way that I found the entry was actually very easy though. Take the high point to the low point right here and then that 61.8% retracement. But yeah, yesterday's yesterday. That's out of the way. We got today and we're going to make that money back plus much more. I have the emotions webinar. It's up. It's uploaded. I just have to go back and make sure everything's good with it and then I'll post it. Lost the gains chasing. No, as soon as you make your gains, you got to walk away. What's up, everybody on TikTok? How we doing over here? Hopefully everybody's having an amazing morning. Let's see, we got 100 people on here. So real quick, if you guys are on the TikTok, in case you guys didn't know, I'm also live on my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. So if you guys want to check it, make sure to head on over to YouTube, type in Brandon Trades, join the live stream. You can actually see my screen. For everybody in the YouTube live stream, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 165 people in here. Remember, the like goal is 150 if you guys want the watch list. So let's start with SPY and QQQ. We only have one piece of news today, and it is, let's see, goods and services trade. So we'll pay attention to it. But I did see one thing when I was looking at QQQ this morning was we have this bear flag forming on, let's see, you can easily see it on the 15-minute, see it on the 30-minute, an hourly bear flag. Let's check the 4-hour. Yeah, it's best on the hourly. So we have this hourly squeeze. We're below all the hourly EMAs and this hourly bear flag. So depending on the news, QQQ might break down today. If it does, your boy is looking for puts. So QQQ bear flag, we want to pay attention to that. Let me pull up the DMs to myself. QQQ. 125% on that trade. Crazy. Yeah, I could have made so much more money. So much. But your boy paper handed yesterday. It happens. Anyways, let's see. How we doing over here on TikTok? We got 237 people in here. How we doing? Let's see. Let's get the notebook. Beautiful. Okay, so QQQ, we're going to watch that. Let's see. Let's go back to SPY because I do want to watch SPY at that daily trend line. You can also see it on the 4-hour. 1 hit, 2 hit, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got really close to it today and yesterday. So maybe we come down, we hit it around like 398.17. We could potentially bounce from there, which actually was yesterday's low. So that's not a bad area. Let's see, take off the 50, take off the 50. Also, I'm noticing we're kind of forming a daily bull flag on SPY. If you guys can see it right here, straight shot up, consolidation, pullback. So yeah, I'm gonna be watching that as well. Would really like to see a bounce off of that the trend line right there. So SPY, obviously we're going to watch that as well. And sorry, I'm a little stuffy this morning. I don't know why. That like literally just hit me. But oh well, we'll see. And again, if you guys got questions, feel free to type them in the chat. But SPY QQQ, we'll look at Tesla here in a minute. Let's see. Let's look at the weekly watch list. So Apple, remember Apple, I put it out in my free newsletter that Apple is going to be the one to determine the overall market sentiment, because it's been trading at this daily trend line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it failed to break above it again yesterday. So if Apple can't break, SPY and QQQ aren't going to be able to go higher. So we need Apple to actually break that trend line, and then it should be good. But Apple, don't see anything that I like right now. Boeing exploded yesterday. Let's see. Take yesterday's low to high. Could see a potential bounce down there. So we are going to watch Boeing again today, which also lines up with that 1 hour 21. So like 183.72. I'm interested in a bounce on Boeing. And again, for the people on TikTok, if you guys want to actually see my screen, make sure to head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades, where I'm live right now. We got 212 people in here. But yeah, you can actually see the screen instead of what you guys are seeing now. So let's see. Boeing, we'll get to Tesla. Don't worry. Got a bunch of swings on watch. Look at Meta. Not really seeing a setup on Meta. Maybe if we got like a pullback to 119.6, I'd be interested. But that's like a $3 drop. We'll put it on the side for now. Look at the day trading watch list. We got a few squeezes today. ES 15-minute, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Same thing with NASDAQ. Let's see. Boeing, we got a 30-minute squeeze. Coin 30-minute. Google, Nvidia, Shopify. Cool. We got a decent amount of squeezes today. Again, for the ones in the YouTube live stream, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 211 people in here, 78 likes, so running up to 150 if you guys want the watch list for completely free. Let's see. We already looked at Apple. Let's take a look at AMD. I think Nate swung AMD puts, I think. So hopefully that prints, but not really interested in anything on AMD today. Yeah, if you caught that Boeing yesterday, because that was on the watch list, that thing just exploded. Amazon bounced off the one level that I would watch for a bounce, or pretty much bounced right off of it. So not really interested here. Maybe if it pumped, we could look for a reject at like 92. Daily's looking very weak. Yeah. Let's watch a 92. See how Amazon acts. If you're asking if I trade for a living, yes. I don't want to mess up your name. But let's see. We're going to get to Tesla here in a minute. We looked at Boeing. Coin, don't really trade this, but we'll look. Yeah, not interested in coin. Google's just consolidating. It's kind of flagging on the 4 hour. But nothing that I'm really interested in. So ignoring Google, we looked at Meta. Let's take a look at Microsoft. It's got a while to pull back. Not interested in that setup. Nvidia. Let's watch Nvidia, see if it can actually crack this trend line today. Could look for a setup, take it up into the trend line. But I do like that 30-minute squeeze, so we're going to watch that video. Let's see. New to stocks, people keep telling you the market's going to crash. No. No. Let's see. We already looked at QQQ. We like that to the downside today. Shopify's got a 30-minute squeeze. Don't care about that. And then the one everybody's been asking about, Tesla. So Tesla was really weak yesterday. We could actually watch this both ways. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. 875. We could look for a reject at like 185 actually on Tesla. So we'll watch that. Tesla. It is freezing in here. Let's see. What is a 30-minute squeeze? TTM squeeze. It's an indicator that I use. I talk about it in depth on my YouTube channel. Also talk about it in my book. Make sure you guys check out my book on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis. 450 pages. Right there. Boom. Anyways. You have Microsoft bullish. Yeah, just not really interested in the setup. Amazon gap to the downside. I didn't see that. Oh, it does. If it breaks below 90.59. It's actually not bad. If it gets down there, I'd be interested. Let's see, at or below. Boom. Watch that. All right, so QQQ again. If you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. 266 people in here and only 108 likes. I cannot believe this. Less than 50% of you have clicked that like button. Anyways. Let's see, December 6th. All right, so QQQ. The one retracement that I am watching is 285.42. 285.42. Let's get a clean chart. Look at QQQ. Boom, boom. So we got that 1 hour bear flag. Take that low to high. We get the 61.8. That's going to be a really deep pullback. Same thing here. Yeah, that's going to be nowhere near it. So the only possible bounce that I have is one, either going to be off yesterday's low right here, or 285.42. Other than that, on QQQ, I really don't have any other bounces. Let's see. Whoops. Look left, look right. Nope. Yep. 290. As far as downside support, if we start breaking under there, I mean, like right here at 280.34, roughly. But I don't have much to the downside. Right here as well. Whoops. There we go. All right, let's see what person's pivots say today. Yeah, I'm watching, I'm going to watch Boeing today. There we go, 314. I mean, it's looking pretty bearish on QQQ. So let's watch it below that. Let's watch for a break below the bear flag. If it starts breaking above and it starts to look bullish, I'll look for calls. But again, we do have that 1 hour squeeze. We're trading below the moving averages. Could it pump? Of course. But could even reject it there, actually. Draw this a little better. There we go. All right. Oh, wait, hold on. We're doing the new format for QQQ, or actually for the watch list in general. QQQ. Let's see. Not interested in Netflix today. QQQ, 1 hour bear flag. plus squeeze below the moving averages. If price breaks below, oh, let me move this mic so I'm not typing right in your guys' ears. Let's see. If price breaks below 287.27, I will be looking for puts. Price target equal yesterday's low, which could act as a potential bounce. Main bounce area I am watching is 285.42 to 2.50. Let's see, break above 288.64 calls. Actually, let's see. I do have some rejects. Yeah. If we pump, I will be watching 289.5 and 290.24? Yeah, 290.24 for puts. Boom. All right, there's QQQ. Go to SPY. Again, if you guys got questions, feel free to type them in the chat. Also, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 270 people in here, and we did hit the 150 like goal. But if you guys want, keep running it up. I'll appreciate it. But yeah, so SPY, it's trading at that 4-hour trend line. I would say if it cracks yesterday's low, it's probably going a lot lower. But let's see. Thank you for the subscribe. SPY trading at its 4-hour trend line. Support. I was really hoping that we could snag a bounce off of it, but we already hit it, which sucks. Let's see if we were to pump today. It's a bit of a stretch. That's a bit of a stretch. Not really a clear-cut pivot high, pivot low. Yeah, I don't really have a reject on SPY. Maybe if it pumped back up into here at like 403.38. At 400 level. Yeah, no, I don't have a reject on SPY. If it just starts pumping, it's gonna pump. I did have a few bounces that I was watching. This low to high, let's see, we already bounced off of that. Deeper pullbacks over there. And looking at this retracement right here that I talked about in the video on Saturday, we pretty much closed at that level. We didn't close below it, like literally right on top of it. So, I don't know, it's going to be weird with SPY. I would say I have less clear direction on SPY than I do QQQ. But I do like that trend line. Could serve as a nice little bounce. Let's see. You're watching 403.57 for a reject. Okay. I'm gonna see what Jadon and Grizzly are watching. Let's see. Trading that's 4-hour trend line acting as support. It breaks below 398.95. I will be looking for puts. 398.95 for puts. Let's see. Price target equal yesterday's low. Let's see what person's pivots say. Yeah, yesterday's low, and then I have a bounce. Where did this bounce come from? 397.73. 397.73. Whoops. Bounce. Boom, boom. Cool. All right. 397.73 for a potential bounce. I mean, if we start pumping and we get above, maybe if we reclaim 400, I'll be interested for the upside, but I honestly don't have any rejects that we could use. Besides 403.38, I don't really see anything else. Yeah, SPY is going to be an iffy one. Yesterday's low. Watching for a possible bounce at 397.73. If we fail there, we could go to 395. I know 395 is a pretty strong level, so we'll watch that. Let's see. Hopefully everybody on TikTok is doing good. How many people we got in the YouTube live stream today? 287. We're doing good. Let's see. Yes, you can trade SPX pre-market, I believe. I never have. It's been a while since I traded SPX. So, SPY, we're going to leave it like that for now. Again, if Grizzly or Jadon end up putting out a reject level, I'm going to watch it. The only possible area I could think is that 1 hour 21 at 400.67. But other than that, let's see, 92. Not seeing too much. 292. 92. Also in a 1 hour squeeze, by the way. So pay attention to that. So in a 1 hour squeeze. Team Bull Trading. So if you guys want to join Team Bull, go to my profile, click the link in my bio, and you can sign up there. All right, so there's SPY, and then we had Boeing, Meta, Amazon, Nvidia, and Tesla as possible watches. Dang, you got a haircut early. An early haircut. All right, Boeing, nice 30-minute squeeze, bounce off of the fibs. Again, 183.72, I'll be interested in a bounce. Or it could just break above the pre-market high, take it back to yesterday's high, and then it can go a lot higher. So Boeing's going to be on the watch list again. Meta, if we get a deeper pullback, if the market's weak, I'll be interested in a bounce. And then, let's see, Amazon. Oh, you cut your own hair. What a G. Amazon, interested in 92 reject. Nvidia. 167 break for calls. Tesla. Interested in that reject up there. So, I think we're gonna watch Boeing, Nvidia, and Tesla. I think are my favorites today. Good morning. Yo, what are you doing in here just still hating? You've been trying to hate for like 20 minutes. And I haven't even answered once. Let me just say something. For people that wake up at 8:40 in the morning and go on TikTok just to try to hate on people, you gotta do something else with your life. That's how bums live. You don't get rich by being a bum. Go do something. Anyways, let's see. That's the only response you get. Boeing, if we start breaking above yesterday's high, let's see. 191. 91.09. Sorry for the people on YouTube. I went out of character there for a minute. But we back. Positive vibes only. We're all getting rich together. We leave the negative people out of our lives. Yeah. You guys are funny. 183.72. All right. So, Boeing looking for a potential bounce around 183.72 for calls. Potential bounce 183.72 for calls. 61.8% retracement, as well as 1 hour 21 EMA confluence. Or I am looking for a break of 186.3 for calls. Price target equal. Of course, I always give you guys as much free information as I possibly can. 188.45. And then 191. I mean, that's quite a gap. Trading above that 200-day SMA. There's no SMAs blocking Boeing from getting up there. Not seeing anything. Oops. Actually, yes. There's one level blocking Boeing. Okay, what is that? 188.45, 189.85, 191.09, and let's see, 192.06. Boom. Also, if you guys didn't see yesterday's video, make sure you guys go watch that. I got another fire video dropping today, so I'm trying to drop more psychology videos on my YouTube because I've already taught a lot. Like, I got 900 videos, or more than 900 videos on my YouTube of just straight teaching. So now I'm trying to incorporate some psychology. Hopefully it can help you guys out. But I do like Boeing. Then I said Nvidia and Tesla. Nvidia. Always, I got you guys. Let's see, Nvidia. Kind of 50-50 with this one, to be honest. If it can break 167, I would be interested. Might wait a little closer to market open for that one, though. Let's see, Tesla. Yeah, so that 185 is looking like a good reject for Tesla. We also have that daily pivot at 184.75 or 76, whatever. Let's see, do we have a clear-cut pivot high, pivot low? Not really. If we start trading down towards 178.75, I'd be interested for a bounce. We do have confluence there as well. 50%. Aim for that Tesla 180.50. Cool. Let's watch Tesla. Only reject I can really think of is 184.75 to 185. So we'll watch that. Then we go a lot lower on Tesla. Cool. All right. Tesla looking for a possible reject. Some dude on TikTok. Looking for a possible reject at 184.75 to 185 for puts. I was hoping it wasn't going to break this 182.27, but it looks like it's already going to. The main area I'm watching for a bounce is in between 178.75 to 178.10. I think that's what that says. 178.19. Let's see for puts. Potential bounce area at 178.75 to 178.2. Watch. Yeah, cool. What time do I wake up? Around like 5:20 to 5:30. GD, get in here, fool. GD, how you gonna join and hate on me? I invited you. Get in here. I think he's joining. I can't tell. What's up, fool?
Can you see me?
Nah, I can hear you though.
What's up?
Say what's up to the YouTube.
What's up, YouTube? How's everyone feeling? You can. It says I can only connect to the audio. It's weird.
Oh no, that's weird. What you watching today?
Nothing.
Nice. Good, good.
So basically, my new strategy has been blindfold myself, load up 50 contracts, and buy the first contract.
That sounds good. I'm sure you'll make a bunch of money.
It honestly works out better.
People in the YouTube are saying they love you. Or they love us. Let's see. Daily watch list. So nothing on watch. Good talks. Good talks. Who else would I be talking to?
No, I really don't have anything. I haven't looked at a chart yet.
Gotcha. I'm watching this QQQ pair of flags, probably my favorite. I don't know if you can see my screen. But 287.25 area, if it breaks below, that's what I'm interested in.
There you go.
Yeah, you guys better keep clicking that like button. I brought GD on just for you guys.
This is the best morning live I've ever had.
For real. But yeah, let me I'm gonna send the watch list out in the chat for you guys. Remember, none of this is a trading recommendation. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So I am not responsible for any lost funds.
You really had to say that?
Yeah, I say it at the end of every live stream. If anything, GD is responsible for your lost funds.
Brandon's lost me all my money, guys.
Yeah. All of it.
Shinobi texts me at literally 2 a.m. and says, "Hey, come through tomorrow." Like, bro, what does that even entail? Like, do I come like in the morning? Like, what do you mean?
Go hang out with Shinobi. Also, you're still on the live stream, just FYI.
No
Okay.
shit.
Okay, just making sure you knew. All right, there we go.
Talking like a real person. You're like all robotic over here. Tesla 180 calls, resistance, support.
This is what I deal with, guys. Everybody in the YouTube is a witness to this. For the ones that aren't even in Team Bull, he does it all the time. They're laughing.
Yeah, because I'm a real dude, and you're like, oh my god, it's 312. And that's the bounce. That's the bounce. That's all I'm watching today.
Why does GD sound like a robot? I don't know.
There we go.
But if you guys are in Team Bull, I'm posting the pictures now to the charts. QQQ. SPY. Oops, SPY. There we go.
See, like, if I'm live, like, on my TikTok, I'm on my fitness one, but, like, I don't know.
It might be like Instagram where it says GD's going live with whatever.
Yeah. Could you just invite me? Like, is that how it works?
Yeah, I invited you and you hopped in.
Oh. It's kind of dope.
Oh, and it says whenever my followers jump in, I can invite them. Let's see, Boeing, and then the last one was Tesla.
We're going to see another down day for SPY.
Think so?
Yeah.
If
we hold this 401, I believe so. But if we break above that, I think we can trend higher.
Yeah, we're trading. If you look at the daily, we have a daily trend line that we like just bounced off of.
Pretty good demand that turns a supply at this 401. So if we hold underneath, we bounced it a few times at pre-market and rejected. So if we hold underneath that 401, I'd be interested in shorts. But if we break above, potentially go up to 402.8, maybe even. I don't know. I don't know what today's gonna really look like, but I'd say I'm more biased on the downside.
Okay. Cool. So, for the people in the YouTube, I'm about to hop off. So as always, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. If you guys are in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10, 15 minutes.